Piece of shit. Oh, no, hit the wall.
Good now. Oh my god.
You guys see that Drake video? If you ever watched that video with Drake?
Right
So today we're working on the Supra again. You guys last saw like a year ago. I decided to finally say fuck it since me and my buddy got a house and I now have a garage to work on stuff. You guys kind of missed a lot, unfortunately, just due to scheduling, and I just wanted to get this shit done. But we decided to pull the pistons out. Pistons are right here. They're all in order. They are forged pistons, and they don't look too bad. I was gonna reuse them, but I actually dropped number 6. So I also sanded down my valve covers. They were originally black. They're kind of discolored. I did as much as I could with a wire wheel and such. But these are gonna get sent out to one of my buddies, where he's gonna sandblast, and then he's going to powder coat them. But these will get welded on for my 10 AN bungs, and then
wait, I have a bung.
It'll run into my. I know you do. Look at that thing. That's a nice turd cutter. Anyway.
Oh, I actually do have to cut the turd one time. It was like
big,
it was too long and it wasn't going down the hole, so I got those paint mixer things and I cut it in half. Well, actually, I cut it in thirds.
Today, what we're gonna do is we're going to run to the parts store real quick. So we're gonna clean this up.
Are you fucking kidding me?
No. No, I'm not. I'm not kidding. There's 2 things we need to get. So I need to get a hex big enough for this. I don't actually have them. The thing with these is that these are a high volume, low pressure type of fuel pump. So this thing produces like crazy flow, but they don't make anything over like 26 pounds of pressure throughout the system. So this is the pressure relief valve right here. And then, as you can see, there's a hole in there. There's a spring in here. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna stack washers. So this is like a threaded bolt that goes into here, but it's hollowed out.
Space it out.
Yeah, we're gonna compress the spring a little bit more, so it takes a little bit more pressure for that spring to open up, for the relief to open up to dump back into the pan.
Oil boost. Oil boost.
Yeah, it's a quick, easy oil mod. A lot of people recommend it. It's big in the 7M world. And then there's 2 things I can do for this oil pump. I can either get another housing inlet and either cut this end off. They want like SR Fab actually is like a really big company that makes the oil pump designs. But the only issue is that they want like $275 to literally cut this, add a piece of pipe, and then weld it back up. And then the other odd is see, that's about 1/2 inch. The pickup is about 1/2 inch from the screen. So we can do 2 things. We can just kind of push that in more to get this closer to the, because this is not going to hurt anything. This is for big objects.
Yep.
But get that in there. And then the other oil mod is pump itself rides on this shaft here. And these bearings are really good. There's bushings on the inside. Those are good. But this right here, so there is no bearing in here, and it's a compression fit. So you actually gotta get a puller and pull this off. What happens is that since this thing spins, what happens is that it kind of wears into the shaft to the point where this can actually like break.
Yep.
And then this is just free to move in there. So you're either losing oil pressure or you're tearing up your gear to the point and then you lose oil pressure. So it's a precaution. It's like $120 for the retainer plate, but it's U-shaped and then it's got needle bearings on either side. So this will prolong the life of this shaft and prolong the life of my ACEN oil pump. So that is another mod we're gonna do for oil, because it just doesn't pay to stick $6 grand into buying pistons and building the head up and everything, and then goes to shit because you didn't do the proper oil mods. So this is number 1, and then pistons and everything is number 2, and then head work is number 3. So specifically in that order. But today, since I have no monies and this shit's pretty cheap, we're gonna drop the whole subframe out of the car. So from 91 to 92, they have like reinforced subframes, they're a lot stronger. And unfortunately, this one is not. This is an 88, so the subframes are kind of weak in them. And they make kits to reinforce, but I don't think they're worth the money. So I'll have to talk to a local metal fab company, and then I got a buddy that can weld them in. I just need to pull it out, get them the stuff. I also have I believe they're energy suspension, but I cannot confirm that. But we're gonna get them pressed out and put all neoprene bushings in everything. That sounds like a plan. No?
Fucking get at her, but I don't know. God.
Dude, look at these pesos. Bro, look at how shit these pesos are. Look at how shit these pesos
His
are.
paycheck was making out of his own hand.
Fuck.
40 hours, that's not enough, dude.
That's not enough. You can't even live off that.
Well, technically you didn't work 40 hours, so you're kind of a lazy fuck, but...
39.98, alright? I was an
What happened? Did someone take his shit on your wall over there?
Dude, no, this guy, he used to do skating.
That looks like I'm trying to cut my turd in half. That's what it looked like.
It's a load bag, but
Oh, it smells like gas in here.
what kind of gas?
Butane.
Oh, not another kind of gas that you're very familiar
No,
with?
no, I'm not familiar with any type of gas besides fossil fuels.
Which is her Toyota. Big Mark IVs, baby.
Yep, that looks like $20 to me.
Dude, fuck off. You have to just take this one out and then swing it on.
You know, when you wear a
pocket?
hat with that light, it makes it half as good.
What? It's on the outside. And it's a band
Take
that
your
goes
hat off
across.
once. Try it once.
Oh, I see what you're saying. The
Because
lip.
it's blocking the
It's
half
the lip.
of the light.
Yeah, the lip of the lip. Yeah.
You can wear your hat backwards. Look at that. Go down there once. Oh my god.
Oh my god, brand new. So this, I think the way they designed it was that you have to take off this one and then it swings out and then you can take this off. But we're gonna leave these pads in because they're pretty fresh, as you can tell.
Get new pads.
Well, I'm gonna get everything, but I'm gonna go with Mark IV ones.
Get
You
some
could live on
fucking-
those for
Get some fucking big
a little bit.
BBK.
Dude, I don't have BBK money.
Get a BBL.
Maybe. You guys see that Drake video?
Fucking
That thing is huge, bro. That's like a fucking anaconda in his pants, bro. They're a little scary.
Dude,
but
my
Minty
jack, you
pinch
could probably
ones.
go like this high with my jack.
Oh, you got the big.
I got nice ass jacks, jack stands.
Okay.
I mean, I'm not gonna let you use them because they're
Fuck you,
pretty expensive, but
dude. That's bogus.
you'll probably pawn them off. You'll probably go to Easy Pawn.
Look at that. Look at that fucking foot can that's on that fucking thing.
Let's actually take that off and fucking stick our in it. I mean,
My shit wouldn't even fit in there though. Like.
well, yeah, no, I
Like-
wouldn't feel anything. at
Yeah,
all.
exactly.
My balls probably get accidentally stuck in there.
Yeah. Sway bars and everything, and then these big bad bitty Johnny brains, and then dude, junk that fucking throw that thing out now.
What?
Give me this.
Wait, can I see it actually?
Sure.
This right here?
Yeah, that top thing.
What is it?
Oh, let me see that. Oh, I was just kidding about that. That's. Thanks, brother.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I kind of needed that.
Dude, you
Oh no, this thing is so junk. Dude. Don't ever buy this fucking dog shit brand, bro. A Pexi AFC2 tuner, and all this thing does is it takes your fuel trims and manipulates them, and it's like the most shitty piggyback that it's almost as bad as when Mega Squirt came out. Do you know what Mega Squirt is?
yes, yeah.
Dog shit. This is another Mega Squirt product.
Thing looks like a FM transmitter.
Oh my god. How the fuck is this exhaust holding out, dude? This thing is ready to give.
Yeah.
No, you're good. So they can see that. That fucking bushing, or that mount is literally ready to give out. That thing's been through a couple heat cycles.
I mean, I don't care about your hood, but there's a fucking diamond size.
Oh yeah, this is the fender that I bought. She's actually in pretty good shape. Obviously there's some rust that needs to get sanded down, that needs to get taken care of for prepping. So later in the video I kind of want to go through the process of, like, this is kind of
He's
cool.
losing his cognitive ability.
So yeah, we're just gonna,
Gas. Dude, he can't even think straight. I need to teach my girlfriend how to read a 1-inch micrometer.
where'd you get that? Was that in the car? I need that later for measuring my shin buckets, but I need a bigger
Oh
one.
yeah. Well, after my girlfriend's done using it, you can have it.
Okay, so right now I'm taking the exhaust out. I don't know if I can squeeze it. It's in there, dude. Jesus Christ. It's just in there. Oh! The glass is crushing me. I just slammed my fucking hand in that piece of shit. What are you breaking? More of that eight.
You have a broom in here?
Huh?
You have a broom in here?
What?
You have a broom in here?
Break.
Nothing. I stepped on that stupid Pepsi thing.
Oh, I just moved in. I'm kind of.
Forward into the driver's side rotate. You're hung up on your transmission jack right now.
Yeah, well, it's. Slide it
Holy
up that way.
You gotta turn it back towards the passenger side.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Okay, you're free there. Oh my goodness. He's hung up on his transmission jack. Oh.
Oh, I'm gonna hit the wall.
Good now. Nope, keep it rotated to the left. There you go. Free loop. Oh, shit. You're gonna get a full titanium exhaust, right? There we go. Oh, that bitch is straight pipe. That one, no?
It's got a
Glass pipe.
resonator in it. Yeah,
Cherry bomb in there.
yeah. He said it was too loud, so we put that in there.
Oh yeah, that helps a lot.
Well, we're gonna get rid of this. We're gonna get rid of our downpipe, and we're gonna go with a 4-inch catless all the way back. Oh, you put my
Look
hood
at
in
this
there, huh?
shot. Oh
I do.
my.
Oh no, that's fine.
Well, it's a room.
So, do you want
Nice,
to?
dude,
Do you
look
want
at
to?
that
Do you want to do the trans next?
Hold it out. It'll take 5 minutes.
Okay.
Let's keep fucking going. Let's keep rolling.
Dude.
I like this matte finish. Is this some matte PPF on this?
Now I gotta stop everything I'm doing.
Dude, why is the transmission jack halfway up the goddamn transmission?
I had to move it out of the way a little bit.
Dude, look at it.
She's a little cocked,
I mean, I guess it's fine,
but it's holding. We're taking off our shaft here because it's like a 2-piece, and then it bolts in right here. So we're gonna take this out so that when we drop the trans, we have enough room to just slide it right out instead of trying to go through the tunnel and everything, and maybe it might catch up in front. Yeah, because it's a big shaft. It's kind of big. It's kind of like.
I never dealt with such a
It's
shaft.
kind of like if you ever watched that video with Drake.
It was kind of flaccid though, to be honest.
I think it was like semi-hard, semi.
He was chubbed
Like
up.
he knew what he was doing. You know what I'm saying? Like
Yeah.
he wasn't like trying to show
I mean,
full act, but he wasn't trying to show soft
It
either.
must take a lot of blood flow to fill one of those things up all the way.
Oh my, dude, it's like a balloon.
The money
Oh,
shot.
yeah.
Hot damn.
Look. Like I was holding it up like this, and then this thing came down and just whacked me in the mouth.
Is that?
That'll go on the old marketplace.
$20, $20 more bucks.
No, probably like 200.
Probably like $1.
$100, you think?
Probably $1. What do you actually need me to do,
The
Tristan?
bell housing. Hold the top of the bell housing so I can slide the
I don't have a good angle, but I'm holding it right now.
You got it?
I don't know. Lower the jack.
I
Lower
did.
the
I
tank.
did. It's fully open.
It's
Is that-
caught on the fucking subframe or on the chassis
Oh, I see. Yep.
on the left. Oh my caucus! Lower it. Jack it off, dude.
I'm trying. I gotta.
I'm in the most fucking awkward spot.
I know. I'm sorry.
Is it gonna ruin the mount if I lower it a
Yeah,
little bit?
absolutely. Yeah. No, it's junk. It's okay for a little bit.
Lift up, dude!
Yeah, bro. Fucking slamming that bitch. Yeah.
Dude, oh my god, I got the worst fucking cramp in my chest.
Can you move that?
Yeah,
Can you
heart
move it to the
attack.
left? Can you move to the left?
My left or your left?
Your left. No, the other way. The other way.
Fucking idiot. If you drop it and crack the bell housing, I feel bad for you, but that's great content.
No.
Do you need help?
Oh, tranny fluid's just pissing out.
Well, why is it tilted so much? Oh my god, oh my god.
No.
Okay, center it.
Oh, I got half of it on my leg.
My fucking fingers are crushed under this thing.
I know.
What were you doing down there all the time?
Dude, this is. I don't know how we're gonna get this to.
Am I good to let this thing go?
No, absolutely not.
Tristan, you might want to tilt it back up, buddy.
Oh. Nah, it's fine. I got.
That sounds fucking moist.
Yeah. Well, boys, this is my R154. Thanks for tuning in, and yeah, we're gonna go to the bar and get hammered because I'm pissed. But anyway, we're gonna get all this oil out because I was a dumbass and we should have just drained the fucker first, but someone was really eager to get the trans out, so kind of slipped my mind and we just sent it out. But that'll be in the video. All the.
You just gaslighted me or what?
No, never that. But
You really cleaned up really good. You literally squeegeed the only dry part of the garage floor. Guy.
I don't need your lip. I don't need your freaking lip, brother.